Hey guys, it's Ben here from Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. Today we're looking at another fantastic truck that just came onto our lot here. It's a 2019 Ram 3500 Mega Cab Dually. Let's go take a look. Up at the front of the truck here, you will notice it does have your chrome tow hooks, as well as lots of park sensors on the front bumper here. You'll see your fog lights as well as LED headlights. And under the hood, it has the 6.7 Cummins HO. Along the side of the truck here, you will notice it does have your 17-inch chrome rims, as well as power running boards, proximity entry. It also has surround view camera. At the back of the truck here, you will notice it does come with your trailer hitch, as well as 4 and 7-pin trailer plugs, as well as a backup camera, a slow drop tailgate, and in the box of the truck, you will notice it has a bed liner as well as fifth wheel prep as well. If you look over to the left side of the tailgate here, it does have the step that drops down and also pops up. I apologize, I do struggle with this quite often. As you can see, it does move up quite easily. In the driver's seat of the truck here, you will notice it has your phone controls on the left side of the steering wheel and your cruise control on the right. This one does come equipped with a 12-inch touchscreen with navigation. These black leather seats also are heated and cooled. The steering wheel is also heated. If you look at the center console here, it does come with a CD player with a wireless charger. And if you take a look at the roof of the vehicle, it does have a sunroof and a universal garage door opener as well. In the back seat here, you will notice it has your cup holders for either side to store all your beverages. If we lift this up here, you will notice it has the nice black leather interior. These seats do fold down like this one here on either side for extra storage. These seats are also heated, and it does have 2 USBs and 2 Type-C plugs for in the back as well. It also has a 115-volt plug for all of your charging needs. If you're interested in pictures and pricing of this vehicle, feel free to click the link in the description or give us a call at 780-942-3629.